teaching here for 14 years, since 1998. I kind of have a natural tendency to look at things in the long term, and I think civil engineering projects are long-lasting projects, that are out there for everybody to see. And I think there was a kind of a natural connection there, so I think that's how I ended up doing that. I'm very helpful in trying to address their learning needs, and that I'm available. I try to have an open door policy. I was inspired to teach, I think, by my mother. She was an elementary school teacher, and she was so enthusiastic about her job, and so that's kind of what inspired me. But since that time, I've had outstanding teachers. There was one teacher in elementary school who I still adore because of the way she taught, and she really connected with me. When I teach engineering, I get an opportunity to discuss some practical issues. I really enjoy the part where I get students to form into small groups and discuss some broad topic and open-ended topics, and let them kind of brainstorm and use this energy within the group and come up with some diverse ideas. And these days, with sustainability being in focus, there are these grand ideas that everybody's trying to sort of solve, and engineers no longer are expected to just design a project, but they have to do it within the context of a more sustainable society. So it's a lot of fun. I think the biggest change, biggest adjustment that I had to make, and I have made, I think, fairly successfully over the years, is to recognize the student learning styles. Each one has their unique, learning style and how they would like to be, taught or provided information. So I have over the years tried to adapt and try to cater to as many learning styles as I can. The fact that I'm kind of joining a group that they have been recognized as outstanding teachers, people who are inspiring students, who have been doing that for a long time. And I think it makes it even more special that some of my colleagues who I have looked up to as somebody who's kind of during my maturing process as a teacher are there, and I'm kind of joining that group also because I relate to them much more closely. I think that's been very, very special.